Every woman has an aura, and every journey comes with lessons, opinions, and stories worth sharing. Welcome to Aura and Opinions, a podcast where we dive deep into real conversations. In our very first conversation, we have Mohini Sharma, the founder of Mrs. India Inc., and Arpita Chaudhary. She is carrying the winner title of Mrs. India International Summit 2025. Mohini, you have started Mrs. India Inc. और आपने फीमेल्स को कॉन्फिडेंस डिस्प्ले करने का जो मौका दिया, ये आइडिया आपके माइंड में कैसे आया?
बचपन से हम सब देखते आ रहे हैं जिस तरीके से मिस इंडिया, मिस वर्ल्ड में जाके, मिस यूनिवर्स में जाके इतना बड़ा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खिताब ला रही थी। इतनी बात पक्की थी कि मिसेस की भी औरतें कहीं कम नहीं हैं, बट इंडिया कहीं पे काफ़ी पीछे रह रहा था। एंड विद टाइम जब मैंने इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म्स देखे और कंपटीशन देखा, तो मुझे कहीं पे कॉन्फिडेंस था कि जब इंडिया की मैरिड वुमेन जाएंगी तो वो डेफिनेटली इंटरनेशनल टाइटल ला सकती है। आई थिंक दैट वाज माय बिगेस्ट इंस्पिरेशन to start Mrs. India INC in order to get all the international titles home.
अर्पिता, मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे है कि आप तो मिसेस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल समिट की विनर रही हैं, आपकी जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई?
मेरी जर्नी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था दैट मैं ऐसे किसी ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करूँगी. आई केम अक्रॉस मिसेस इंडिया INC ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. ऑन द सर्फेस लेवल I saw it, I liked it, I enrolled myself. But अगर आप deeper level में जाकर पूछें that why a beauty contest, why a pageant, I think मैंने हमेशा से ये सोचा है that मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ बड़ा करना चाहती हूँ. Like ever since I was a kid, I always knew that I'm meant for bigger things. What? I don't know. And I think this was the platform for me to get me to that space. मैं 15 साल से एंकरिंग करते आई हूँ एंड मैं हमेशा लोगों से सवाल पूछती हूँ. आई इंटरेक्ट विद सेलिब्रिटीज़, आई आस्क देम क्वेश्चंस, एंड आई थॉट दैट देयर वुड कम अ डे व्हेन पीपल विल स्टार्ट आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस टू मी.
व्हेन यू गेट दैट ऑडिशन मैसेज, तो फैमिली का रिएक्शन कैसा रहा?
Everybody was very happy. To be very honest, I'm very lucky. My entire family is very supportive. I have this wonderful husband. मैंने अपने introduction में कहा था that he's a feminist man, and that introduction went viral because he moved continents, countries, careers to be with me. So
That's really nice.
they have been super supportive of me.
मोहिनी, आप इतने सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स को जज करते हैं, तो आप कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे चेक करते हैं और कॉन्फिडेंस को हम डेली लाइफ में कैसे कल्टिवेट कर सकते हैं?
Being a woman, डेफिनेटली देर आर फ्यू इमोशंस जिससे आप भाग नहीं सकते हो. एक है द क्रेविंग फॉर वैलिडेशन. फॉर सम रीज़न हर औरत में ये बहुत ही यंग एज में वैलिडेशन की क्रेविंग आ जाती है. कभी वो मदर से, कभी फादर से, कभी सोसाइटी से. दूसरी है जेलेसी. एक औरत को हम कितनी बड़ी बातें करें, बट लेट्स एक्सेप्ट द डार्क साइड ऑल्सो. वुमेन हु हैज़ एक्सेप्टेड दीज बोथ द साइड्स, that okay, I've reached a point where I don't need any validation. I'm complete within myself, I'm secured within myself. And second is okay, I do understand कि दूसरी फीमेल XYZ एरिया में मुझसे अच्छी है. अब या तो मैं भी काम करूँ या तो मैं उसको जाके अप्रिशिएट करूँ. अगर मुझे ग्रो नहीं होना है और अगर मुझे वहाँ पे स्टैग्नेंट रहना है तो फिर वहाँ से मुझे अपनी नज़र हटा देनी है. बट नॉर्मली एक औरत का माइंडसेट होता है कि वो ग्रो होना चाहती है, वो आगे बढ़ना चाहती है, वो हमेशा थर्स्टी रहती है, क्यूरियस रहती है.
पेजेंट्स में जो है आप 7 days 10 days के लिए जाते हैं,
Yes.
और यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट डेकोरम throughout your life.
Yes. Actually, that is the real success. That is the real progress. If you take all the practices, all the learnings throughout your life. And Yukti, you are one of the biggest example, I must say. You were a participant in 2019. And look at you now. You have just become better and better. So you've evolved.
I took so many learnings from your pageants, I must say. कि मैं आज जहाँ पर भी हूँ, वो स्पार्क जो है मुझे मिसेस इंडिया इंक से मिला था.
क्योंकि आपने प्रैक्टिसेस कंटिन्यू की और वो युक्तियाँ वहाँ नहीं छोड़कर आए जिससे आपने मुलाकात की थी पैजेंट्री में. उसको आप अपने साथ लेकर आए हो.
कभी कभी पैजेंट में ऐसे डेज भी आते हैं क्योंकि आपको एवरीडे मेकअप करना होता है और डेली लाइफ में आप एवरीडे मेकअप नहीं कर सकते हो, तो आप उस टाइम क्या करना चाहते हो? मतलब डू यू लाइक स्किन केयर, और कभी कभी नॉर्मल दिखना भी पसंद करते हो?
For me, I think I'm a skincare obsessed person. even if I go back home 3 o'clock in the night, I'll do my skincare. It's very important. It's fundamental to who I am. I need to do my skincare. सिर्फ skincare नहीं, you have to also see कि आप क्या खा रहे हैं, आप कैसे products apply कर रहे हैं. There's so many options available. So what are you doing to your skin? How much water you're drinking? Whether you're working out? What kind of food you're having? It's a holistic approach.
सो स्किन केयर के साथ साथ स्किन केयर रिचुअल की कंसिस्टेंसी होना भी जरूरी है.
Yes, it should. I'll tell you from my personal experience. I think if somebody told me in 2016 or 17 that Arpita, you will step out of home without makeup, I would have laughed at them because I did have a lot of skincare problem. But I, picked up. I did it with consistency for so many years, and now I'm happy with the skin that I have. And I think to everyone, there's no magic. You have to do whatever you're doing, do it with consistency.
अनदर क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट स्किन केयर ओनली. हम लोग जिस प्रोफाइल में है, मोहिनी आप, अर्पिता आप, हमें डेली स्किन केयर करना होता है. क्या हैसल नहीं लगता आपको ये?
No pain, no gain. If we are enjoying the compliments every morning, every evening, then there is a hard work behind it.
What is your take on that?
See, for me, it's my me time. I enjoy it. Raat ko 20 minutes, I'll sit in front of my vanity table and I'll do my facial massages, and that is my me time. I'll put on some web series or something and I'll do my skincare. I enjoy that time. I think I deserve that pampering.
Now we know the secret to your glowing skin.
जब मैंने पेजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया था तो एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा माइंड में रहता था कि आई एम नॉट अ मॉडल, मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगी. तो आप मेरे जैसे लोगों को क्या गाइड करोगे?
We are not looking for models at Mrs. India, first of all. And we have Yukti here, who is a role model for so many women entrepreneurs. We have Arpita here, who is another role model. She has set a benchmark in the industry of hosting and anchoring. So these are the women who are setting examples. These are the women we are looking for. We are not looking for models, definitely. And some time back, Arpita did mention that we do not have any age bar, no color requirement, no body stats requirement. So let's take full advantage of it. We have entered the pageant industry where we are heading towards inclusivity.
I can relate this too, क्योंकि जब मैं मिसेस इंडिया इंक में गई थी तो आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि यार मैं कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ, सेल्फ बिलीफ नहीं था. मतलब आई वॉज नॉट लाइक, मुझे इतना नहीं लगता था कि मैं विन कर पाऊंगी. बट जो लर्निंग मुझे वहाँ से सीखने को मिली, जो लेसन्स मैंने लिए, उसको मैं आज अपने यस मैडम के प्लेटफॉर्म पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ. वो सेल्फ बिलीफ जो मैंने वहाँ से अर्न किया था उसको मैं आज एनकैश कर रही हूँ अपनी जर्नी में इन यस मैडम.
मिसेस इंडिया आईएनसी का प्रोग्राम इस तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया गया है जहाँ पर हमने जो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट एरियाज़ हैं जो एक वुमेन के इवोल्यूशन के लिए ज़रूरी हैं उस पे फोकस किया है. Physical attributes are important, definitely, and hence we make sure that every participant is working on her body, skincare like we just discussed. Besides that, the mental stability, the spiritual side of yours, the emotional stability, how confident you are, obviously your body language, your communication style, your posture, everything makes a new you.
How it is related to women empowerment?
The moment you are confident enough to take your own decisions, you are empowered. You're not going to someone, maybe your father or maybe your husband. How does happens? There are different women coming from different industries जिनके साथ आप टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, आप सबके हाईज और लोज देखते हो और कहीं पे आपको समझता है कि आप बहुत नॉर्मल हो और उन्हीं में से 4-5 मिसेस इंडिया विनर्स निकलते हैं. आप रनर अप बन जाते हो, आप विनर बन जाते हो और तब आपको कॉन्फिडेंट आता है अगर मैं इस स्तर तक पहुंच सकती हूँ तो मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी के डिसीजंस तो डेफिनेटली ले सकती हूँ. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट साइन ऑफ एम्पावरमेंट.
और इसी कॉन्फिडेंस को मैंने यूज़ किया था यस मैडम में जब हमने यस मैडम बिल्ड किया था. और जैसे आप वुमेन को एम्पावर करते हो ऐसे ही हम अपने प्रोफेशनल्स को एम्पावर करते हैं.
No, but I'm so proud of you, Yukti. You've come such a long way and I've been watching your journey. I've been seeing you growing and it's beautiful. You are doing an amazing work.
Now let's go to our next fun round, which is rapid fire, and I'm going to ask question from both of you. You'll get 30 seconds to answer. So
Wow.
be ready, guys.
Wow, that's scary. Do I get something at the end of this?
That's a surprise for
The one who
both.
wins.
The one who wins.
That's a surprise.
Okay, waiting.
Okay, so the question starts from Mohini. One word that you describe you right now.
I think I'm very overwhelmed because I'm sitting with my winner and a season 1 contestant. So
Wow.
overwhelming, very overwhelming.
If not this journey, what's one dream you would still love to chase?
I think I'm a go-getter. Whatever I want in life, I get it. I do not have a dream at the moment, but if I did, I would achieve it.
One thing that instantly lift your mood.
Coffee or tequila.
Favorite self-care ritual.
Facial massages.
Then you should book from Yes Madam.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Your go-to confidence booster before going on stage.
I think to relive all the happiest moments of your life and just to think that how far we have come. So this stage is nothing.
One habit you never skip, no matter how busy you are.
Drink a lot of water.
That is much needed for everyone
Yes,
actually.
yes, very important for skin and also for your health.
If your personality were a skincare product, what would it be?
I think a lip gloss which adds color and shine to someone's life.
That's nice. That's what you do for all the women here. The one thing you will always find in your bag.
A hand cream. I meet a lot of people. I always shake hands, so I want my hands to be well pampered.
If you had to step out with a really small bag, what would you skip? Lipstick or a sunscreen?
I would skip lipstick, but I can never skip sunscreen because I'm born and raised in a city like Mumbai where sun is very harsh, and I generally keep applying a lot of sunscreen in couple of hours. So yeah, anytime sunscreen.
Me too. That's why we bring something for you guys.
Okay.
This is your hamper.
Oh wow!
I win.
From Team Sokora.
Oh, lovely. This is so cute. Wow. And I see.
This one is for you, Arpita.
Thank you so much. This looks so
Amazing.
pretty. Can I open it?
Please let us. Oh, wow. Is this a sunscreen?
Yes, it is.
This is so cute.
You can actually dangle with your bag.
Yeah, and the
The
color,
color is so
cute.
nice. And I see a hairband also. Oh,
So this is our Sokora theme. So whatever the Sokora product you purchase from the site, you'll get one gift from our side.
Wow.
So, ladies, if your man isn't pampering you, there is Sokora that will definitely gift you something.
That's a good one. Really loved it. I loved the packaging, the
yeah.
color. Amazing.
Very different,
Very
actually.
cute.
Very different. I love the whole packaging also.
Yeah. I think even in the vanity, you can keep this. This will look like a aesthetic product and not
Absolutely.
something which is very bad
And that
packaging.
suits your personality as well.
Yes.
No? That is like we have
Yes.
created.
Has to complement.
Yeah. That's why we have created it aesthetically good कि अगर आप उसको साथ में रखते हो ना तो it enhance your personality as well.
Yes, it's very nice. Thank you
Lovely.
so much for this gift. I'm
Thank
so
you
happy.
so much, and congratulations. I'm already excited to see how this is going to do. I'm very sure this will do amazing because this is so different from what we have currently in the market.
Just to conclude, I just want to ask both of you one advice जो आज आप हमारे audience को देना चाहते हैं.
I think inner glow is definitely important, and that's why we do what we do, like meditation and emotional and mental balance. But at the same time, external glow is very, very important. So it is very much needed to maintain that balance between inner glow and external glow, and anything and everything is incomplete. So दोनों का balance बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Always follow your heart, because today wherever I have reached, whatever I've achieved is because मैं अपने दिल की सुनती हूँ.
So women, listen to our beautiful ladies and listen to your heart. Thank you so much, Arpita and Mohini. It's lovely having you both here.
Same here. It was such a pleasure. I had so much fun doing this podcast.
It was. Thank you so much. It was an amazing time, and it was lovely meeting you after like a long time.
And plus, I'm getting
Likewise.
the goodies.
I am loving these super cute mask. Such a nice color.
Story share कर देना.
Beautiful.